Hey guys, this is Kushal from Mindfire. Here's a quick update on how to embed a video in the landing page of a Capture Leads campaign. So, test video. Okay, just give it a name. Opens up the campaign. I go to wait for a few seconds for the campaign to load. And now I go to the landing page, and this is where I want to embed the video. Let's just say I have a form here, whatever, a contact form. And here, as you know, that we can use the image gallery to bring in an image. To put a video here, click on edit image, go to the edit image HTML. Okay, now let's go to YouTube. Here's one of my favorite videos, Elton John and Kiki D singing Don't Go Breaking My Heart, and go to share, click on embed, grab that code, Control C here, or you can just click on copy, go back here, Control A, delete that, Control V, paste it, apply. That's it. Now we save the campaign, wait for a few seconds for the campaign to publish to the cloud repo, and go back to the landing page, click on the link, and here it comes, and it plays right in there. Alright. The other thing I wanted to point out is, if you go to the asset library, we have a new release coming up end of this month, and we are going to release the page editor. So far we've released the email editor. Page editor will be in production. You can click on the new page, and there you should be able to drag in a video. Again, let's go back to Elton John and Kiki D. Now I don't need I need the regular link for this one. Go back here, put the YouTube video link, Control V, and you can preview. Boom. It plays. In this case, it goes to the YouTube and play, but we could also embed this. But more about that later. So that's about it. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks, bye.